Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your browser or Google Play Store in OPPO Find N2 Flip. So to do this, first let's try to download something from a Google Play Store. Here we have this app, for example, and click on install. The download actually starts, but it's in a pending mode and it's stuck like this forever. Now let's cancel it and move on to our browser. Here, if we try to reach any website, there's also a problem. And to fix both of these issues, we'll need to open our settings and go to the bottom of the page. Then additional settings, date and time, and here set time automatically. Now if you go back to your browser and refresh the page, everything should work, and the same thing is with Google Play Store, so we can install the same app and it will start. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.